Hey, if you're here, welcome to the video. This is just some raw, chilling. It was full moon. Just did some walking around and talking with the couple different spirits, and we just chilled out and raised our vibe a little bit together. So I didn't even transcribe it. It's just raw audio. Hope you enjoy it. It got crucified or hung on the upside down cross. It wasn't Kissinger. He was a communist, though, now. He was a true red. Old Kissinger was. So was Nixon. Man, I cried when they damn impeached Richard Nixon. I was about 3 years old. 4 years old, I think, is 69. I was about 4 years old. Oh, man, I felt that. Because everybody else in the world was just as guilty, and he took it all. Because he just happened to get caught with all that deep dirt bullshit. I admire him as a crooked president. It's weird how my heroes are all crooked. Well, not all of them. I think you got to have that to keep it all worth it. Spicy. Me being wrong. Because us immortals, man, like them ones that are, the true elders of all of us. I don't see how they just do it day after day after day for billions of years. You got to be really creative, and I'm seeing the acting drama play of my life now that I didn't see 4 years ago when I started. And y'all been telling me the whole time. Y'all sit around talking about how some people are bad actors. And sometimes when they do really good, you'll say, oh my God, that was such a really good line, or that was a really good scene. Man, y'all give it away. But I didn't really believe it for a long time. Now I think y'all about convinced me. I think I don't know, I can somehow deal with that easier than all the pressure I've been under. I guess. What? Come on, man, we're trying to chill. I got us a buzzing on. Well, smoke nothing if you need to. Just chill. Come on. The hell, man. I ain't bothering nobody. I'm just sitting here, buzzing off the marijuana. Talking about life, man. Well, I mean, it ain't bad. Right? I mean, don't sometimes you just want to chill and, fuck it, man. They things you think about, things you wonder, things you want to ask. See if anybody else knows, because you don't. I don't know. I think that's why I failed in the light like I do, because I'm just, I don't know, man. I don't even know how to put it. I mean, if you tell me not to judge a man, because waiting for you. If you tell me not to judge a man and what he does, but to look at his soul and all that, you teach me all that, and then you just, there's nothing else, it's not like how do you do it, what are the rules. I mean, man, Sometimes when I think about the last 4 years, I'm awestruck at all of y'all because I had spirit guides and I seen ghosts and I knew Lucifer and a few others, Michael and stuff, but I didn't. This door, like y'all's door, wasn't open. You know what I'm saying? It really wasn't. The multi-dimensional door wasn't open. I mean, I'm being real here. I'm trying to tell y'all what I learned. Because I'm really grateful to y'all. I really am. I mean, I am. Hey, it's been hell, but you know what? I have learned a lot. A lot. A lot. And not out no book, neither. Firsthand. Fucking front lines with y'all. Most of the time, y'all against me. But somehow I would have always had y'all's back if you didn't need me. I always tried to feed y'all, be hospitable. Y'all just mean. And you know, the angels told me one time, hey, they ain't human, Keela. They don't think like you do. They don't feel all that emotion you feel. But then I'm an empath too. So, you know, yeah, I got all that emotion. And it's been hard, man. Last 4 years been harder than the whole 58 years of my life. But you know what? My flame's brighter than it was when I come. I just can't be holy. I can't. I've tried, I've begged, I don't know, I'm weak. I cannot, I don't know how to trust and surrender. And boy, y'all sure didn't help that done. I mean, being honest, you know. Already, you know, that was an issue and I didn't realize it. I realized it because of the mistrust that I was like thrust into, man. I was thrust into that shit in one day just because instead of doing a reading, like a medium reading for somebody, I downloaded Necromancer, the app, so that they could hear the spirit and not just have to trust me and take me at my word. Even though I never charged anybody for a reading. I didn't charge for anything. Reading cards or nothing. I don't think you should charge for your gifts. I really don't. I think if God gives you that gift, if that door's open, there's a reason. There's a reason I've been through every moment that I've been through with all y'all. And that's why I'm grateful. Because there was a reason and a purpose. If nothing else, just a lesson for me. You know? So I really, really thank y'all. From the bottom of my heart for making me, or for allowing me to embrace what I always believed but just didn't really have that 100% proof of. Now I do, you know. It's just the same without the bodies, you know. We're like, we can do anything over there once we get to a certain level. Hell, we about can do anything now in the fourth. I'm doing pretty good with the no time thing. And to think. Yeah, I had to think on that one hard. I still don't quite grasp it though, how it all is happening at this very moment. Past, present, and future. I mean, I'm sure it's looping somewhere, bending or melting or some shit that space does, time does, or no time does, whatever. But, you know, I mean, I'm not very scientific, mathematical. I always wanted to be an Arcturian, but I can't do the math. I'm a reptile, and I'm proud of it, man. And if I find out I ain't a reptile, then I've been proud to be a reptile all these years of not knowing that I really wasn't one. That maybe I was just shape-shifted. But I'm pretty sure I am. I mean, I got reptile kids and everything. Dragons, not just reptiles. I'm not a snake, but I don't have a problem with a snake. We the ones that ruined that symbol of wisdom and just like total completeness. We the ones that twisted that all up and demonized everything. You know, there's been days I've even called some of y'all demons, but you know what? I don't think I've seen. No. Now, I mean, I know they there, don't get me wrong. But I don't, you know, demon is not what the world thinks it is. I mean, I got respect for y'all's mission and purpose in life, and you know, I do understand more now that y'all aren't all emotionally led and tied like we are. I mean, I would love to be indifferent like that all the time. I would. I mean, that's harder to achieve than balance, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man. I've always had respect for y'all. I don't fear what's coming. Wherever I fall, that's where I fall. I fell on the battlefield, you know?